All right, welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's start off with some news on cricket, as the standards of governance of Cricket West Indies fall far short of best governance practices, according to the 36-page Wehby report on the governance reform of Cricket West Indies, a copy of which has been obtained by TVJ Sports. Keon Reyna has been perusing the document.
The 6-member task force, chaired by Jamaican businessman Senator Don Wehby, has found, among other things, that the sustainability of Cricket West Indies as presently constituted, and consequently the future of West Indies cricket, is at serious risk. The task force also found that the capacity of the CWI in its current dispensation to carry out its duties of administering cricket as a public good is severely compromised. As such, the task force came up with 37 recommendations, including that the executive committee of the board be abolished. This will result in the reduction of the number of board committees from its current 12 to 5, namely the Nominations Committee, the Audit, Risk and Compliance Committee, the Cricket Advisory Committee, the Commercial Advisory Committee, and the Governance Committee. The task force found that the board's committee structure was overloaded and overly costly, with an annual budget upwards of US $255,000. Wehby and his team also stressed the importance of the regional government to the development of West Indies cricket, and advised that it is essential, if West Indies cricket is to be revived, that cordial relations be restored between the CWI and the governments. The Wehby report also referenced the business situation assessment and financial review of the CWI undertaken in 2019 by the accounting firm PKF, which it noted contains a scathing indictment of the intrusive and autocratic executive role assumed by the former senior leadership of the CWI. The report also noted that the weak structures of the territorial boards as the stakeholders of Cricket West Indies contribute to the dysfunction found across the region. The other members of the task force were academic Sir Hilary Beckles, attorney at law Charles Wilkin QC, businessman OK Maledo, and former West Indies vice captain Derek Murray. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.